In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new role to your LinkedIn profile. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure your profile accurately reflects your current professional journey. It all starts by opening your favorite web browser and heading directly to linkedin.com. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by the sign-in page. LinkedIn offers you the convenience of multiple sign-in options. You can choose to log in using your Google or Apple credentials, or go the traditional route with your email address and password. Make sure you have your login details ready to allow for a smooth entry into your LinkedIn account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your login. Usually, this involves receiving a code on your phone, which is a simple step and a great security measure to guard your account against unauthorized access. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll find yourself directed to your LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. A quick click on your picture will display a drop-down menu. From here, you'll select View My Profile. Doing so takes you to a more detailed view of your LinkedIn page, where all of your professional information is available at a glance. Your next step is to find the pencil icon positioned on the left side of your profile banner. Clicking this icon will enable you to begin editing your profile's information. While you'll see various options at your disposal, our focus will be on adding a new position. Look for the section marked Add New Position and click on it to proceed. You'll then see a form pop up, ready for you to enter all the pertinent details of your new role. This includes specifics like the title of your position, the company you're working with, the location, and any other details that give a comprehensive overview of this new role. Take your time when filling out this form to ensure the information is as accurate and complete as possible. It's crucial because this input helps others on LinkedIn grasp a better understanding of your professional skills and experience. When you're satisfied with the details you've provided, you should see a Save button, usually located towards the bottom of the form. By clicking Save, you finalize adding this new role to your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it, a brand new role now reflects on your LinkedIn profile, effectively showcasing your evolving career. Keeping your profile up to date not only enhances your network but also clearly demonstrates to others the professional path you're carving out.